Yeah, company policy.
Yeah?
No? Yeah, he's got it. You're in four-wheel?
Yeah.
You're in four-wheel. Oh shit, it's no good, man. Should have bought a Chevy. Maybe here? Oh shit, right there. Oh, he's stuck all right. What's up, boss man? How are you today?
That's good.
Could be better, right?
Yep. I tried to pull my pickup again.
They're not upset about the lawn? It's connected to the truck or no? The truck is stuck or just the chipper? Let's take a look. What's up, brother? How are you?
Good, you?
Who got it stuck? You? Him?
Stuck.
Together?
Going.
Oh shit. This ground is like a sponge.
Aquí estaba más.
Yeah. All right, we get it unstuck then. $700. 200 is crazy. Work for UNICEF out here. What's up? Got it? Don't worry.
You do the video?
Yeah, company policy.
Yeah?
No?
I'll see a video by yourself.
Huh?
So make a video by yourself.
Yeah, I keep it in my house.
Oh, yeah?
I watch it every night. No, I'm kidding.
Oh.
It's more so nothing happens, you know what I mean?
Yeah. They come to make some money, but now we lose.
You make a lot of money. Trees are expensive, no?
No, I work for a company. My boss is crazy, man.
Yeah?
See, you pay by your pocket.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Crazy.
¿Tiene piedra en la llanta? No.
You ready? Who's in it?
Neutral?
Put it in neutral, boss. What's up, brother? Good? Almost. What's up, puppy? That's like the... He's killer? He's a killer, attack dog? No, hey baby. All right, we almost out. Okay, I want to bring it in a little more.
Yes, please.
All right. Damn, man. I think I need to switch jobs, huh?
Take him over, but the boss is crazy.
Huh?
No.
I like when they all face the same way, you know?
Yeah.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
It's been a pleasure.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get you the rest of the way out now, okay?
Give me your number. Sometimes we need.
I'm gonna give you a card, okay?
Yeah.
I texted you. You have my personal number, but I'm gonna give you a...
Sometimes I lose, you know.
Next time you get stuck, okay? You call me.
Because I work on this area all the time.
Even if you don't get stuck, we do towing, equipment transport,
Oh yeah.
material transport, I guess, you know? Yeah, we do tires,
Oh yeah.
mechanical repair.
Oh, that's good because sometimes, you know, last summer I had a big truck down half there on the street and the front wheel. I wait 3 hours for the.
See, you call us, you wait less than an hour.
I never know. Give me the card, you know.
I'm gonna, brother. Let me get you out of here, and then I'll give you the card. Put it back in neutral, boss. Try to drive back. You can't drive back? Yeah, he's got it. You're in four-wheel?
Yeah.
You're in four-wheel? Oh, shit.
It's wet, dude.
It's no good, man. Should have bought a Chevy.
Yeah.
I'm kidding. Okay, I got you, buddy. Boom, professional. See, Victor? How are you, miss? Okay, we're all done here, right, bud? You think you got it the rest of the way?
Yeah, I go back.
I could go out that way, or you don't know? Oh, Victor, I'll get you the card. Well, you know what? I have it in my pocket. Hey, give it to everybody, man.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you very much for helping.
Okay, of course, anytime. Brother, thank you, man.
Yeah,
Be good, bro. Don't work too hard.